Model, 2015 Ford Fiesta base Tdci runs excellent spares or repairs needs clutch. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 71,269. MOT, the 18th of June 2025. Engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 Tdci 75 PSA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. This Fiesta has no lights on the dash and only needs a clutch to get back to perfect condition. Cheap fix for the right person. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,650. Click the link in the description.